Now student, here we will see this question based on the factors. That the first question is given, find out the factors. Here 27 and 63, two numbers are given. So first of all we will find out the factors of 27. So how we will find out the factors? That as possible as the multiplication facts based on this number 27. So first of all we start from the one. Yes. In the multiples we write that starting the multiples from that number itself. So here number 1 is divisible by all number. Okay. So that means here we will start the multiplication facts from that number itself. So 1 multiplied by 27. So here we are list out the multiplication facts of 27. Okay. Then yes, that's it. Here the 1, 3, 9 and 27 are these factors of 27. Whenever we finding these factors, we always start from 1 and the factors are limited. As also we have seen and learned in this that the chapter go through the in detail. So on that basis we know that when we list out the factor, we get that the first is the number 1 and the highest factor we can say that number itself. So here 1, 3, 9, 27 are the factors of 27. So student, here I list out the factor of 27 are 1, 3, 9, 27. Okay. Now the second number is given the 63. Now we have to find out the factors of 63. So for that we will list out this multiplication facts of 60. That we always start from 1 multiplied by 63. Yes. Then 3, 21 3s are, or we can say 3 21s are 63. Yes. Then after 3, 4, 5, 6, no 7. 7 9s are 63. So 7 multiplied by 9, we get here number 63. So we get here the product. When we multiply this number, we get the product here 63. So now we list out this factor of 63 are, always we start from 1, 3, 7, 9, 24, 21 and 63. These are the factors of number 60. Now student, here the next question is write T for true and F for false. So capital T stand for the true and capital F is stand for the false. We have to write down in this box. To first of all we have to check that 6 is the factor of 172. That means here we have to check that this number is given is the factor of 6 or not. So how we can say that? When how we say that this is the factor of on the basis of that division? Okay. So that means if the 172 is divided by, if we divide by 6 and we get the 0 remainder, then we say that this number is the factor of 6. So for that you will find out through the long division method. I put it here, this sum divide by 6. So here we cannot 1 divided by 6 is not possible. Then we take here 7, 17, 6 2s are 12. Okay. Difference is 5, 52. Yes, we take here 2. Now the 52, that means here in the table of 6, when we get here 52, 8s are, yes, 8s are 48, 6 8s are 48. Okay. So what is the difference here? Difference is 4. So difference is 4. That means we say that 6 is the factor of 172 false. Yes. false. Why? Because when we divide 172 divided by 6, we get here the remainder 4. So we can say that 172 is not a factor of. Now the next statement is given 5 is the factor of 195. So we have to first of all find out, then we can say that this statement is true or false. That now 5 is the factor, that means we have to divide the 195 divided by 5. Okay. 5, directly we are taking two numbers, that 19. So 5 3s are 15, difference is 4. Then we take here 5, so 5 9s are 45. Okay, and here we get the remainder 0. So on that basis we say that 5 is the factor of 195. So this statement is true. Okay, so that means one more thing I want to add here. When we divide this number, so the divisor and the quotient, both number we can say these are the factors of here the divider. Okay, divided is what? 195. So 195, we find the factors both the 5 and 39, both are the factors of 195. So in the statement is given 5 is the factor of 195. Yes, this statement is true, because we get here when we divide by 5, we get as the remainder 0.